Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on TikTok application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone. Then we're going to open our inbox right here. Tap on the inbox option. And here you can create a group chat. You just need to click on this plus button and select friends. Select your friends that you want to add to your group chat. And for example, I'm going to add this account and this one as well. And this is my account. I'm just going to click on my account and click on start group chat right here. Okay, and as you can see that the group chat has been created, and you can send a message to your group chat right here. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a group chat on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.